Hello, everyone. So I'm live today. Sorry, I was not active since a few weeks. But here I'm here today to share something that I have learned. Hi, Nandini.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Wait, I'm admitting everybody. So, what have you been doing?
I have started exploring the resources what you had sent on Harvard, that Harvard PZ, and
Acha,
it's been really good. A lot of differentiation procedures been trying to do, a lot of
nice.
exit tickets through those. Very, very nice. I think I'm getting a lot of clarity and a lot of structure
Uh,
after the last class we did.
Thank you, thank you. Good, good, good. Yeah, my main reason of going live and doing this session is that teachers some benefit it and then implement it, right? Just sitting and listening to a webinar and attending uh, workshop is not enough. I keep telling the participants who do my train the trainer, na, I keep telling them that you should get the return on investment, whatever you have done by, and that you will get only after you implement those things and you see a change in behavior, and then the school appreciates you for taking all the effort uh, to make those changes visible in your classroom. Yeah. Hi, Akhil. Hi, Vichitra. Hi, Roshni.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Good
Good
After
evening,
long.
ma'am.
evening. Good evening.
After long.
Yeah, long time.
Good
How
evening,
are you
ma'am.
doing, ma'am?
Good evening. I'm good. I'm good. Been busy. Actually, I was a bit sick, had a backache, and yeah, busy with physiotherapy, so could not go live for many weeks. But then I thought I need to make my channel active, so I think, and I think so. Last week, I had gone to Delhi to attend a conference, DIDAC. So over there, I learned something about Google Gemini. So I thought that I'll share it with the people here in my, Google Classroom. So I just sent a message today that
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
who wants
much.
to come? Please come. I will share. Yeah, and I also have been following a few people on LinkedIn, and they have been, sharing some resources. So I have tried, those prompts and the framework, and I thought that maybe you will also be able to use it in your classes when you are planning your lessons or creating the presentations that you want, either for your lessons or for the PD sessions that you do in your schools. Okay. Hi, Jyoti. Long time. All
Hi,
right.
Miss. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Nice to see you.
Same here.
Okay, so I will share my screen with you all. Uh, yeah. So what I did was I created a Google presentation using Google Gemini for today's session. And then I will teach you also that how I created this particular slides. Okay. So the main purpose of today's session for me to have you here is to explain to you how I use a framework in order to uh, create information or presentation for my workshops. Okay, so this particular framework helps you to write prompts which will then help you to create either presentation or information that you need to share with your students, with your teachers. Okay, so this is a guide to the RODES framework. The framework is called RODES framework, and each letter, it is an acronym, each letter stands for something. So let me start it. So whenever you write a prompt, okay, stop writing, generic lesson plans. Okay, because you are a PYP expert or a DP expert or an MYP expert, you know that we need to use all those terminologies that we use in IB, right? So then what are you going to do? You cannot write a vague prompt like make a presentation about ecosystems. Okay, so avoid doing that, because the AI will not know what you actually want. So it will just give you a basic idea or basic presentation on ecosystems. Okay, you have not said to the AI tool that which grade level, which IB unit, whether you want PYP or MYP or DP. So you have not given specific information to the AI tool. So then it will give you a generic presentation or generic information. So what do? You use the RODES framework, RODES. So now each letter of this framework stands for something. Okay. So if you ask the AI tool, act as a grade 4 PYP teacher. Okay. So when I say act as a grade 4 PYP teacher, that stands for the R, role. What is the role? Okay. What role are you giving the AI tool? Okay. Focusing on interdependence. That is your objective, your goal. What do you want the AI tool to create? So the AI, when you write this, when you start the prompt with this, then the AI will deliver you an inquiry based lesson. Why? Because you have said PYP teacher. Okay, and it will give you perfectly aligned to your central idea. So you continue focusing on interdependence and write your central idea. So what is the result of this prompt? It will be of high quality and it will be useful for you as a PYP teacher. You don't have to record it, Jyoti. It is going live on YouTube, so you can see over there also.
No, it's my read.ai automatic.
Yeah. So I
I need
guessed
to
it.
stop it.
I guessed it, so I allowed it. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
All right. So then what is the RODES framework? I told you about R, act like a PYP grade 4 teacher. That is your role. So R stands for role. Who is the AI? What is the AI working as? Okay. The O stands for objective. What are you asking it to make? What is the goal? Okay. What do I make? What will the AI tool make for you? Details. D stands for details. You have to give the curriculum context. So the central idea, the lines of inquiry, ATL skills, all those details, curriculum context, you will have to
Key
give.
concepts.
Yeah, you will have to give to the AI tool. And then E stands for examples. Give a desired style. What kind of example are you expecting? Okay. And the last is sense check. Sense check means an essential pause, and you will ask it that ask me a question before you start presenting everything. Okay. So if you feel that you are not sure, ask me a question. Okay. That is the essential pause. I will go through each step right now. So the RODES is an acronym for creating an AI prompt. Okay. And R stands for role. Who is the AI? O stands for objective. What do you want the AI tool to make, to create? Details, give the context to the AI tool. What do you want the AI tool to make? Give details. Okay. Example, if there is an example, then it will copy that example and create you something like that. Okay. And sense check is the essential pause. You will ask the AI tool to ask you a question before it creates the information. Okay. So now, how do I explain it? How do I do it with the help of an example? So step one is tell the AI who it is. So I started off right? Act like a grade 4 PYP educator. So contextualize the AI as your ideal colleague. Okay. If you're saying you are a teacher, then it will give you a unit plan for any of the lessons. You have not said you are a PYP teacher. If you're going to say you are a PYP or acts as an experienced IB PYP teacher who is specializing in inquiry, it gives a better context to the AI tool. It will know then what are you expecting of it to create. Okay, so that's a good role. Okay, good prompt for the role. Act as a specialized IB MYP integrated sciences educator who knows the criterion levels. Now, when I'm saying who knows the criterion level, then what do you think I'm expecting the AI tool to create? Anybody? Jyoti? When I'm saying act as a specialized IB MYP integrated sciences educator who knows the criterion level, so maybe I'm creating a presentation or a question paper, something on the criteria, right? Something on assessment.
Assessment-based tasks. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So this tells you
Yeah.
the role. Step 2 is your objective. What is your objective? What is your goal? What is your final product that you want the AI tool to create? Okay.
So what kind of
B,
presentations, what kind of presentation do we need? We have to mention here specifically for which grade, how many
yeah,
slides do we want, what
correct.
kind of content also we
Format.
want, we can explain. Yeah.
Yeah. You be very clear about the format. Do you want it to create a template? Do you want it to create an infographic? What do you want it to create? Okay. And the content structure. So you are saying, if you say, write me a presentation about the environment, then it is very vague. Okay. But if you tell it to create a detailed outline for a 10-slide presentation, output must include slide titles, main bullet points, and speaker notes, then you are very specific what you are asking that AI tool to create. All right. So that's your objective, the final thing, product, or the goal that you want the AI tool to achieve. Step 3, ROD, details. Okay, give the curriculum context, give the details to it. So it is very critical for IB educators. If you don't provide the context, the AI cannot align to your standards. Okay, there are certain standard requirements, right, for MYP, PYP. This step turns a generic lesson into a fully concept-driven unit. So if you ask it to create a concept-driven unit, you will have to say, create a PYP unit. So what will you include in the curriculum context? You will write, whom are you creating this for? Unit plan, if you're creating a unit plan. So target audience, which grade? Okay. And what do you want? What is the central idea, or what is the statement of inquiry? So if it is the PYP, you have central idea. If it is
If it is MYP, then
MYP,
we
you
have
have the
statement of
statement of
inquiry.
inquiry. Okay. And if it is DP, then you have your essential understanding.
Yeah.
Okay. Then tell the key concepts. Which key concepts are you looking at? ATL skills, if you're specifically looking at any ATL skills, and write about the tone and the length limits. Okay, it is for 2 weeks or 6 weeks. Yeah, the plan, lesson plan, if it is a lesson plan.
Yeah, tone is also very important, like professional or
Yeah.
casual, what kind of PPT you want.
So this is the style. Okay, adopt the following structure for every style. Give the style. Okay, slide title. There should be a slide title. There has to be content. There has to be some visual idea. Okay, relevant that you want the AI tool to create in the presentation. Okay, what style do you like? And the last thing, S, the sense check. It is the essential pause. So you will ask a question. You will state this, okay? You will say, force the AI to confirm its understanding before it starts writing and giving you answers, okay? So when it asks question, then you can answer, no, not this, yes, this. All right. So stop before you generate this. You will ask it before you generate the presentation. Ask me 3 clarifying questions to confirm your understanding of the scope, so that the AI understands what actually we want it to create. Okay, so it will ask you question. Do not start writing until I answer. So you have given that command to the AI tool that you will not start producing, because when you click that arrow, it starts generating information, right? But then you don't want it to generate information immediately. You are telling it, you are giving this particular command so that it will ask you 3 clarifying questions. Oh, do you want this or do you want that? Okay, it will ask 3 clarifying questions. And then after it is asked, you answer it, and then it will create your unit plan. That's the end. So now I will give you an example of how you can use RODES for PYP. The unit is on sharing the planet. Okay, role I'm saying, act as a creative PYP grade 4 teacher. What it will do? Create a 7-slide presentation outline on ecosystems. What are the details? The unit is sharing the planet. Central idea is living things rely on each other. Key concept is connection. Okay. And what is the example? You want structure slides with a question on every title. And what is the sense check? Ask me 2 questions about students' prior knowledge before starting. So can you see this prompt? It will give you a better response than when you are just writing that, okay, give me a unit plan with this blah, 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 blah. Okay. What about MYP? So I have an example for MYP also. For role, act as an expert MYP science educator. My main objective is to create a 10-slide outline on climate change. The global context is globalization and sustainability. Statement of inquiry is human interaction has consequences. I'm focusing mainly on criterion A. Okay, knowledge and understanding. Slide 8 must be a debate topic. So I want 10 slides, but the slide 8 must be a debate topic. And confirm you understand the focus on human consequences before generating. All right. So this is about the simple checklist for the RODES framework. R, who is the expert? O, what am I making? My objective. D, the IB curriculum elements. E, pattern or style that you want. S, ask a question first. All right, this is how you use prompting. These are the image sources that I have used. Now, this is the presentation that I created. Okay, now, when I told you in the group that I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini to create this presentation, can you see this presentation is created here? Can you see here on my screen?
Yes.
See, this is the presentation that Gemini created. Okay, and this is the information that I gave.
Too much.
Okay, these are all things I was trying because I forgot how to create presentation. Then I went to this video to check that what did I do? Okay, because I had created presentations. So what you need to do is in Gemini, I told you you should have a topic. Do you have a topic?
I do.
Okay, so start with me. Is your computer working, open, ready to use? Jyoti?
What do you mean? Like I open my Gemini and then
Open a tab, say Gemini.
okay.
Okay. On Gemini, start a new chat.
Yeah, I'm doing it. So
Okay. Now, before you
Gemini.
type anything, you have to do the RODES framework, hai na?
Yeah.
Use the RODES framework. What do you want the Gemini to create? Act as what?
Witness, I'm still opening the Gemini. Okay. What do you mean by act as what?
Hey, you want to create a prompt, hai na? You want it to create something, right? Gemini.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what do you want to act it as? What do you want to create? Tell me.
I want to create a PPT on machine learning.
So, but for what? DP educator, PYP educator, what?
DP.
So
DP
act
educators.
as IBDP, कौन सा? Computer science?
Computer science. Yeah. So I'll write
IBDP, computer science export.
okay.
Okay, what do you want it to create?
I want to create 8-slide lesson presentation.
8-slide lesson presentation
that introduces what machine learning is.
that introduces what machine learning is
And
okay,
how
that
it
is your
works.
objective. Okay. And how
Yeah.
it works. If it is a very big unit, then this is less number of
Nah, it
slides.
is a part of the algorithm and code. I can
Okay.
connect it with the algorithm and code. Yeah.
Okay, so your role is done, objective is done. Okay, now details. Give me the curriculum
Details.
details. What do you want? Do you want it to connect to TOK or something like that? I don't know.
I wanted to connect it to algorithm and code.
Connect this to algorithm and code. Okay, this details done. Then E, example. If you don't have an example,
Example.
fine. Okay. Style chalega. And
Yeah,
ask
okay.
me, do you want it to ask any question before it generates?
Mm. Like this is the last slide, right? The
Yeah.
sense check you are asking.
Yeah.
So should I tell the question to
No,
AI to ask me
it
or
should. Yes. You have to tell
yeah?
the AI to ask you a question before it creates the presentation.
So maybe I could ask, do you think machine
Ask
can think?
ask नहीं ऐसा नहीं. Ask
Oh,
me
ऐसे नहीं. Okay.
ask me two questions related to the topic and important in terms of exam question. Okay, before you create the presentation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now in tools, go to canvas. Can
Oh,
you see these
okay.
tools?
Yes.
Okay, go to canvas.
Okay.
है ना? Canvas. And then
Canvas में what is the meaning of going to canvas?
it will create presentation.
Okay.
It is crafting a deck, slide presentation.
Okay.
Akhil, you try one for PHE. I'm going to ask you to share. Okay, anybody else who wants to be a risk taker? IB learner profile risk taker who wants to be. Acha. Now, because I have asked it to ask me questions, so can you read this? One minute, let me make it bigger. Okay. Hello, as an IB computer science expert, I would be delighted to prepare this slide deck for you. It is a fantastic topic that bridges the gap between traditional computational thinking and emerging technologies, often seen in option C or the case study. Is it? Before I generate the full presentation, here are the two exam style questions for you to consider. These cover the core distinction between traditional coding and machine learning, which is crucial for high marks in descriptive questions. Okay, question 1. In the context of traditional programming versus machine learning, how would you distinguish between the role of the algorithm in a standard sorting program like bubble sort versus its role in a supervised learning model, specifically who writes the rules in each scenario? This is Greek to me. Is it correct? What do you think, Miss
It
Jyoti?
is. It is.
Acha,
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Question 2, applications and ethics, topic 1/3. Machine learning models are often described as black boxes in terms of the IBDP system design and ethics module. Why is this characteristic problematic when ML algorithms are applied to sensitive fields like medical diagnosis or criminal justice? And how does it differ from debugging a standard piece
Debugging.
of code? Is it correct?
Yeah, it's correct. So basically, it is talking about that black box problem and its implications. So I can say that there is lack of explainability, transparency. I mean, it's correct.
Okay, so now it's asking,
Yeah.
please let me know your thoughts on these, or if you would like me to proceed directly to generating the 8-slide lesson presentation.
Yeah. I
What do you
think
want it?
proceed directly
Okay,
because questions are
proceed.
done. Yeah.
Proceed directly. Le.
Questions are pretty high level.
हाँ तो फिर तो उसको फिर you could have written over there. This is too high level. Can you give me some basic questions?
No, but
है ना?
but it's completely fine. I mean,
नहीं
it
नहीं
is a
नहीं
part of the
no,
machine learning.
I'm telling you कि like how we said na, proceed directly.
Yeah,
You could have written to it that give me some simple questions, okay, instead of these two, because these are too high. Give me
high
some
level.
questions for my students who are SL or who are
Because
who
this is higher
need,
level questions. Yeah.
हाँ, so who need help, ठीक है? So then it will
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
create those.
Okay.
ये देखा क्या creating slide? Wow, magic.
Ma'am, I have a question. I was just trying simultaneously to do something for PYP.
Hmm.
It did not give me a chance to export it to PowerPoint. It is just telling me export to sheets.
Sheets or slides?
No
Sheets.
sheets.
नहीं, तूने क्या डाला रहेगा, देखना पड़ेगा.
Okay. I'll see again because I gave the same prompt as
Did you put the tools to canvas?
tools to canvas. How do I
नीचे
put that?
नीचे यहाँ पे देखना, left hand
The
नीचे
bottom.
देखना, left hand पे. Can you see this
Yes, one
near the
minute.
plus?
Okay, yes.
You click on that tool
Huh.
and see where it has ticked it.
Okay, okay.
Where has it ticked? Where has it ticked, Roshni?
It has ticked on deep research.
Oh yeah. No.
हाँ. तो फिर तू wrong tick करेगी तो फिर तू कैसे, तेरे को कैसे
नहीं
आएगा?
Okay, okay. I'll just check, ma'am. I'll just check.
So here is the.
Yeah, it is coming at the top. Also, you can export it
ये
to
देख
slides.
अभी.
Machine
Now
learning
what
algorithm.
you can also do is you can also give it another prompt over here. Give this background, है ना?
Oh yeah.
Color, change
Which one?
color, है ना? वो
Yeah.
सब तू कर सकती है. So देख अभी.
Yeah.
What is machine learning? Now what you
Yes.
can also do is on the right hand side on top it is export to slides, है ना?
Yeah.
When you click to export to slides, it will export it to your Google Drive. और वो तुझे यहाँ पे
Yeah.
लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे नीचे दिखेगा. कैन यू सी क्रिएटिंग स्लाइड्स आया है
Yes.
यहाँ पे.
Yes.
एंड व्हेन यू क्लिक ओवर देयर it will open as a slides on your screen.
Wow.
ये देख ओपन स्लाइड्स. देख खुल
Yeah.
गया. खुल
And
जा
then it
सिम
goes to the
से.
slides.
And then you can see the slideshow. अभी देखना तेरा
Nice.
टॉपिक है. You only see whether it is correct or not.
Yeah. Then standard definition and then author summary. So basically, it is connecting it to one of the literature also,
हाँ,
like the
देख.
way it used to be. Yeah.
ये देख.
Traditional programming, you define the rules. Yeah. To teach another rule book. Wow. Bubble sort, input data, model prediction, loss function, update. Algorithm adjustment. Imperative. This is classic interpolated.
Tasmin, 1 minute. I will answer your question. Let me just take her through this presentation. Then I'll ask your. I will ask you to ask your question.
System design and ethics. Yes. Then it talks about supervised.
तो
Yeah.
तेरे को 8 स्लाइड चाहिए था. 8 स्लाइड दिया with image sources. देख.
Yeah. I mean, I could have made 15, but yeah, it
हाँ.
gave me pretty good information.
Yeah. Yes, Tasmin.
Yeah.
You have a question?
Hello. Yeah, hello, Ms.
Hi.
Ashika.
Yes.
I wanted to ask you, you mentioned that we can then also change the background of the
Yeah.
slide, the description and all
Yeah.
that. We do that at the beginning when you're giving the instructions to the AI, or we
Yes.
can do that later?
You
कि
can.
तब से करना है.
Okay, let us check ना. इसको देखते हैं. Let us see what will it do. Change the background color of the presentation slides to pista green. Let me see if it gives me.
Pista green.
Whether it understands my language.
I think it understood. It said I can certainly change the background color.
Ha ha! It changed. but then the picture got lost. I don't know why. Nice. Okay. It can change, Tasmin.
We can do it later, right? After everything has been translated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you.
think with the color prompt, we need to say that keep the images same intact as it
Maybe
was before. Yeah,
right over
something like
here
that.
again. Write
Yes.
the prompt again over here. है ना? Yeah, but then main thing is don't forget to click canvas. Otherwise, if you don't click canvas, it will not make the presentation. Okay? I'll show you why, because see, I started with the presentation. Okay? I started with this prompt. Where did it go? Why it is taking so much time? I started with this prompt, act like a Gemini expert and create Google Slides presentation on how to. But this was on my thinking mode, okay? I had not put the canvas mode. So here, till again and again, I was trying, but still it was not creating my presentation. It gave me this JavaScript, okay? I didn't want it. So what I did is I watched the video over here and I realized that I forgot to put this particular tool in canvas mode. When you do it in canvas mode, then it will create the presentation. Okay, so here, right? It created the presentation and then I exported the slide and then you can see the slide here. Okay, who wants to share? And what is your aha moment? Please, people, don't run away. Huh? You have to share your aha moment. Okay, did you do anything or no?
Unfortunately, the presentation is still getting made, but my
Ah.
aha moment definitely is to know this whole thing.
Acha. So
Okay,
life is
because
become
it
so
was
easy.
yes. I mean, I always knew that yes, you can make presentations, but this was very easy, very structured.
Mm.
So the roads will really help me keep in mind what are the elements I need to give as a prompt.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Shabash, Roshni. Thank you for
Mhm.
sharing
Thank
your
you,
aha.
My
thank you.
ma'am, I have
my
a
aha
created.
moment is
एक
Ma'am,
मिनट ज्योति बोलो
yeah,
अखिल.
sure.
You become mute. You muted yourself.
okay, I have created commands as per the roads abbreviation.
Hmm.
I'm just added the unit for IDU
Mm-hmm.
and the unit title already I have given the future function.
Hmm.
So I've given instruction.
Hmm.
Let's see what is Gemini is doing.
Acha. Okay. All right. Share that link with me and with us. Then we will see. है ना? Okay, Jyoti, tell me.
My aha moment is that it is pretty easy to make presentation with using Gemini, and now I'm feeling that I've wasted my money on presentation.ai.
अरे, I
I
wasted
bought the
my money
subscription.
on Gamma. I got a subscription for 12 months.
I wasted my money on presentation.ai. It's super expensive.
It's okay. It's okay. So Google is free.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. Do you have an aha moment, Akhil? अच्छा 1 minute बोला. Anybody
Two
else with
minutes,
aha?
2 minutes.
2 minutes बोला. Anybody else with an aha moment?
Ma'am, I usually find it very challenging.
Hmm.
So it is like I get lost giving one prompt and then again a second, and then I'm somewhere in the middle of something else. So this really helped me. I have shared the link where I have made a IDU planner with LA Hindi and PHE.
Hmm.
So I tried
Hmm.
making it. So
Hmm.
it helped me. Thank you.
Oh, and you must be feeling good. I came for this session.
Yeah. Thank you.
Anybody else to share their aha moment?
Miss Ashika, I felt, you can organize the lesson so well with all the details of what you want in a very subtle way
Yeah.
in a short time.
Mm,
And then you spend more time preparing the resources and delivering than planning the lesson.
correct, correct, correct.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Ma'am, so I given instruction to prepare a 10 lesson plans. I
Mm-hmm.
mean 10 session planning for
Okay.
bio and PHA.
Mm-hmm.
So the role
Mm-hmm.
of nutrient
Mm,
and how it is connecting to athlete performance. What is pre
mm-hmm.
and post performance concept, and why general diet and athlete's diet is different,
Mm,
right? So based on that, I've given commands.
mm, mm.
So the whatever Gemini has prepared, it's amazing.
Acha, so you can see that what you had created earlier and what now Gemini has created, उसमें थोड़ा difference है and it
Yes,
is
yes,
better.
difference. It's way detailed properly
Acha.
with
Mm,
pictures as well, and diet plan is really good. So role of protein,
mm,
so recover. It's wear and repairing for wear and tear in muscles and tissue happens. So very detailed planning given.
mm, mm. So happy? Anybody else? Vichitra, do you have any aha or anything to share?
Is there a limitation on the number of presentations in a like either
No, no,
day
I
or
don't
a
think so. No, no, no.
okay. Okay.
Not any limitation for Gemini.
Okay.
Even if it is, then use a separate Gmail address. Na? I have like at least three or four. Three or four.
Yes, yes.
I have three or four, and my school I have three.
Oh my
Three more.
goodness.
Yeah, my God, academic director at ADYPG, DYPS Worli, DYPS. I don't know, so many email IDs I have. So I can sit and create.
Yes, yes.
Lavanya, Lavanya does a lot of sessions.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
So, my aha moment is like Miss Asha said that while giving prompts, we often get lost, like
Mm.
reprompting, giving the prompts again and again, and we get lost. So now with this session, I've understood how our prompts can be structured.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
And I love the framework.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
it was an aha moment for me also when I looked at the framework. Vichitra, you were saying something?
Yes, Ashika ma'am, every session with you has an aha moment for me. So this was really insightful. I'm a more of a Canva user for
Mm.
PPTs and all, but I love the way it gave, the very specific images for whatever we have asked for. And best part is what is an IB requirement that is focused here. Like if you give prompts based on statement of inquiry, so your presentation is made in that format. So Canva gives all your content based, but this was really the framework, like we said, the object, the RODES, everything was in place. That definitely is a aha moment for me, a new learning.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Madhuri, Shraddha, Meena, you all have any aha moments you want to share?
Miss Ashika, I reached late home, so
Hmm.
I joined when you had already finished giving the prompt.
Oh,
Yeah.
acha. So
But after this,
your homework is to go and watch the YouTube video
okay, done that.
and comment your aha moment on the video in the channel.
Okay,
Then I know
done.
that you have seen it and you have got something from this session.
Okay, hi Ashika ma'am. I just want to share. This is
Hmm.
my first session with you, like listening to you. I really like the way you are like talking and you are so friendly. And one more thing, I was just trying the prompt. I gave the prompt, I'm trying it. It's still like in the process of thinking.
Ah, okay, okay.
So
Hmm.
means might be my prompt is too big. Like I was connecting math with measurement and then all the
Ah,
in the document which I already shared, I
hmm.
updated the information. So it is taking time.
Hmm.
So I'm waiting for my aha moment.
Okay, okay, you'll receive it. You can just share it with us in the global classroom
Sure,
WhatsApp
sure,
group, so we
sure,
can
sure, sure.
see then, yeah, what you
Sure.
have.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Shraddha, you want to share? Did you do anything or no? All right
Ashika
then.
ma'am, can I
Yeah.
ask? Yeah,
Bolo,
I
bolo,
just
bolo.
wanted to ask you a question. Have you tried with some PDF, a document?
I did.
You
I
did
did.
that?
I
I just
did.
wanted to
1 minute.
know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 minute. So, mm, so I attached this PDF. है ना? Can you see
Yes,
attachments here?
yes, yes.
I attached this PDF and then I said, act like a PYP workshop leader and create a Google slide presentation for a group of teachers who are new to PYP assessments and have to learn about how to use assessment data to improve learning and instruction in the PYP. Give examples and case studies where necessary to make the workshop interactive, similar to IB workshops where you have an activator, learning engagement, and reflection. So
Okay.
then this is what it created. Because I have a session with my PYP teachers
Mm-hmm.
on
Wonderful.
assessments. Yeah. So can you see?
Yes, yes.
Nice. So you can use PDF, attach
PDF.
it.
Okay.
Just remember that when you go to this thing, tools, click on canvas so that it
Yes,
creates the
yes.
presentation.
Yes, ma'am. Certainly. Thank you.
Or kuch, yeah, I have tried all these things. I experiment.
Yeah.
All right, then. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, even after a long day of work, Jyoti is 1.5 hours ahead from us. Still, she's come.
2.5 hour ahead.
Oh, 2.5 hours ahead. Still, you are here. So, thank you. Thank you,
It's always
everyone.
good
And I
to
really
be
hope
here.
that you have learned something today. And I have got
Yes.
some organic content for my YouTube channel. So, before I finish, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you
Yes.
so much, those who
Thank
are
you so much.
following. Thanks.